If something is insanely easy to do, like tic-tac-toe, I wouldn't.
I came here on a dive trip 10 years ago.
I was a good student, but because of my family circumstances, I had to drop out of school.
At the end of the day, technology has to adjust to human beings.
Mostly I love software. I do remember at the private school I went to.
Facebook wasn't the first thing I built. I also built chat systems and games.
Think better, I have more energy, my mood is better, all these things.
One of the biggest mistakes people generally make, and I'm guilty of it too, is wishful thinking.
Major reason for success at the beginning is to have an idea.